Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle of radish. First, choose fresh, firm radishes for the best results. Wash and trim them thoroughly, then slice them into thin rounds or small wedges, depending on your preference. Next, you'll prepare a basic brine solution, which is the heart of any good pickle. This initial step sets the stage for delicious, tangy radishes that are perfect for any meal. Now, let's craft that perfect brine. A good starting point is combining equal parts water and vinegar, like 1 cup of each. For every cup of liquid, add about 2 tablespoons of salt and 4 tablespoons of sugar to balance the flavors. Don't forget to infuse your brine with aromatics such as whole garlic cloves, fresh dill sprigs, or a teaspoon of mustard seeds for an extra layer of deliciousness. With your radishes prepped and brine ready, it's time for jarring. Carefully pack the sliced radishes tightly into clean, sterilized glass jars. Then, pour the hot brine over the radishes, making sure they are completely submerged in the liquid. This ensures even pickling. Seal the jars securely and let them cool down to room temperature before transferring them to the refrigerator for storage. Finally, let's talk about storage and enjoyment. Your delicious homemade pickled radishes can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, maintaining their crisp texture and vibrant flavor. For the best taste, allow them to rest for at least 24 hours before serving. These tangy, crisp radishes are wonderful as a side dish, on sandwiches, or as a colorful garnish for many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.